All right, good afternoon, folks. Today we're going to take a look at crude. You can get a lot of questions and comments about crude oil, of course, with the volatility, of course, with the unprecedented volatility we've seen over the last few days. Last month and earlier this month, it was the S&P and the broader market indices, and now crude is showing its hand in how it can be as equally volatile. So we're seeing moves intraday that are usually month-long ranges, and so what we want to do is take a look and see how it's performing on the lower time frames so we can be in and out without carrying any overnight risk. So crude on the 3S code has been performing well, as we would typically expect. It does welcome volatility, i.e. new highs and new lows on an intraday basis, creates new top and bottom scenarios for us to potentially take advantage of depending on how you trade. My criteria and filters have not really changed much. So you can see here we only had really one trade here in crude on a 5-minute chart today. Had a couple in the overnight session there, a short here and a long setup here. Going back yesterday, right here during the EIA petroleum report, there was a short after the report dust settled. Right here around 1440, like to exit here within the last half hour of the day. Closed around 14, so that's about a 30-cent move there yesterday. If we come back over here into the rest of the week, see we had a pop up here in late afternoon trade from 1070 all the way up to about 14. Again, this is on a 5-minute chart. So we're typically expect to see 1 to 2, maybe 3 trades on a 5-minute chart on any given day. So if you're wanting to look for more trading opportunities, whether you're trading crude, ES, euro, whatever, you can go down. You could go down to the 233 tick chart. That's performed really well on crude oil and some of the other markets, and many of the other markets that have some decent movement in volume throughout the day. You can see here multiple trade setups on the 233 tick chart. Now, a couple of new things that we've recently added to the 3S code community is our Discord channel here. We're going to start growing this and posting trade analysis as they update throughout the day. You see we've got an intraday channel here, a swing channel, as well as a channel for our new backtester and EA that we'll be releasing here soon. Just some preliminary results. They're looking favorable, and we're running through those now as we speak. So we're running these on the S&P, crude oil, euro, gold, and the ZB, among others. And we're going to look forward to getting everybody's feedback there once it is in their hands and running their own backtest results. So that's how we are playing the crude volatility. We're staying out of swings at this point. The only thing we're doing right now is swinging the intraday contract. Once things look to settle down, we'll start looking to establish some longer-term positions in crude as well as the other energy markets. So hope that helps. Have a great week, and we'll see you on the next update.